Hello everybody and welcome back to a new Tackle Your Mess where I'm sharing my weekly reset routine. We are getting behind the couch today doing a little bit of deep cleaning, as well as I'm going to be sharing just what my weekly reset routine is. So a grocery haul, a dinner idea, we're going to be cleaning out the refrigerator and just getting things done around the house. So go ahead, put me up on whatever device and clean along with me. So we are jumping right on into the cleaning motivation and starting off here in my refrigerator. I am just going ahead and first taking all of the food that has gone bad out, and I'm just going to go ahead. I put it honestly just on my countertop while I clean and wipe everything here. And then I'm going to go ahead and take out the containers in a little bit and just again wipe everything down using my thieves cleaner. This is part of my weekly reset routine so that it doesn't get really bad and cake on. And I find when you leave your mess and you don't deal with it right away, you don't keep up with it and maintain it, it is so much more difficult to clean it. And so I've been trying to really practice getting into better routines, and I'm so excited to start sharing those systems with you guys here. And if you aren't following me over on Instagram, make sure you follow me over there, as I do share a lot more day to day. I share cleaning and homemaking motivation over there as well, tap to cleans, ASMRs, and just lots of motivation on both platforms. We are now moving on into the living room, and I had to just get on behind our couch. There was quite a bit of dog hair, so I just quickly swept that up, and then I wanted to go ahead and clean the windowsill. So my weekly reset routine really focuses on just getting the house back in order. And so some of these are done weekly, but others are just kind of done as needed. Like I don't deep clean my couch every single week, but it was something that needed to be done, so it was tacked on to my weekly reset routine. And I actually do my weekly reset on Mondays. Let me know down below what day your weekly reset routine lands on. Okay, it is like 5:40. We just got home from the grocery store. I'm gonna try and do a quick grocery haul while supper is cooking, and I'm also gonna be sharing our dinner recipe. It is so easy, but it is like the best pasta dish you'll ever try, so stay tuned for that. Here is an overview of the groceries. Guess how much all of this was. It's all over our counters. I'm gonna start over here with just like cereal. So we literally just got like our Vector. I've been getting this for Aaron for when he's working night shifts. He loves this maple syrup and brown sugar instant oatmeal. These chips are one of my favorite chips. If you haven't tried these, they're seriously like so good. This Go-Go quinoa pasta is really good for a healthier alternative. I make homemade mac and cheese with that, and it's amazing. I got a squash. It's Lily's new favorite thing. Pickles were on sale, so I stocked up on that. I got some stovetop. This was my impulse buy of the day.
graham crackers because, you know, summer's almost here, spring is upon us, and s'mores are gonna be happening in this house. Next, we got some bagels, some cinnamon raisin bagels, our favorite bread, the Dave's Killer bread. This was another impulse buy. I gotta throw this in the oven for supper now that I think about it. And then I have some wraps that are hiding under here. I got some eggs. I usually buy like the big one, but they didn't have any, so I don't know, I had to get the small one, unfortunately. Rotisserie chicken for lunches and suppers. Bacon. We got some ground beef. It was on sale, so I grabbed 2 packs. I got, I think, a Campbell's soup, and then there's also a tomato soup I grabbed a rain check for because they didn't have any in stock, but it was on sale for $6.99. That stuff never goes on sale. Jumping over here, I got some smoothie stuff. So we were out of probiotics. This is the probiotics I give the girls for right now. I got some more berries for their smoothies, yogurt for their smoothies. I also use this as a sour cream replacement. It's amazing. Cheese was on sale, so I got some of that and 3 packs of that. Our favorite cream, some fruit, veggies, cream cheese, bananas, blueberries, cauliflower, grapes, lots of peppers, strawberries, spinach, and yeah, that's kind of that. There was not much for organic today. I'm super sad. This was like the only organic thing that they had. So yeah, I usually try and buy organic, but that's that. Moving over here, I got 2 things of clam, and then I got some orange juice for the girls. They've been loving it lately. I also ended up going with this President's Choice pesto sauce. We'll see how it is. I've never had it before. I usually get the Classical brand, like this one, which I'm actually using for supper tonight just because I had it open. You can see supper is kind of cooking. And yeah, I gotta get this going. Like, I gotta finish supper and get the groceries put away. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And then I will share with you the dinner recipe and get back to cleaning. So these are the 2 sauces. I use the Classical brand for this recipe. I just put a full jar of the Alfredo and then half a jar of the Classical. And I make just like a nice homemade sauce. There is some chicken that's already cooked in here. I had it leftovers. And then our smart pasta is cooking in there. I'm gonna make some garlic bread and supper will be made. I do like to fancy it up with this cheese here. It literally makes it taste homemade. So honestly, shred some of this up, add it in, and it's like honestly life-changing. It makes it totally feel like homemade, and it's not. So you're welcome.
We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down. So come on now, let's be free. Just be yourself. Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to do.
As you can see, we've now moved into the main bathroom, and I'm just using my Windex and coffee filter to go ahead and clean the mirror here. If you haven't tried this hack, it honestly works so good. Try using a coffee filter when cleaning any mirrors or windows and things like that. It is such a good tip and it works wonders. So now we're just gonna go ahead and wipe down the rest of the bathroom and get it all sparkling and shining.
Just the way you are, and you will like me just the way I am, and I will like you just the way you are, the way you are. Oh, keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like to, what you like to do. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down. We shouldn't care about anyone who brings us down. Doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do
was quite a bit of dog hair just like trapped on the baseboards and stuff, so I wanted to really go ahead and get in here using my vacuum, and so that's kind of what I'm doing here, is just vacuuming up all the dog hair. I know it's really hard to see on camera, but it was really bad. Our dog sheds a lot, and so yeah, just again trying to get all of that up, because I do run our robot vacuum every single day, and if you've been here for a while then you know I swear by my robot vacuum, but the robot vacuum can't get like behind my toilet there and like the sink, so I do take my normal vacuum and like get the baseboards and stuff probably once a week, just because I hate dog hair. And everyone in our house has really bad allergies, so we get eczema and stuff. So anyway, there's my rant for the day. But I hope that you guys are enjoying today's video. If you are still here and you haven't yet subscribed, I would love if you joined our growing YouTube family. Go ahead and hit that red subscribe button down below and hit the bell so you're notified when I do upload. I do upload cleaning and homemaking motivational videos 1 to 2 times a week, and I also share a lot on Instagram as well, so go ahead and follow me over there. That's all I have for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed my weekly reset routine. We'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it.